The straight line y equal to mx plus 14 is a tangent to the curve y equal to 12 by x plus 2 at the point P. Find the value of the constant m and the coordinates of P. Given equations are y is equal to mx plus 14 and y is equal to 12 by x plus 2. The given condition is, he is saying this line is a tangent to this curve. What do we mean by that? Is see, if I assume this to be the curve and this line should be a tangent to the curve, line should become tangent to the curve. That could only happen if the line is meeting the curve at only one point. Line meeting the curve at only one point, then only then we can call it to be the tangent. Clear? Tangent means line intersecting curve at only one point. Remember that. Now, if they are intersecting at only one point, so the condition that I should make use of is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now, when I make use of this condition, I get the value of constant m. Okay. Now, to make use of this condition, there should be a quadratic equation. And how do I get the quadratic equation? By solving these two equations. And how do I solve it? See. Here it is y the subject, here also y the subject. So equate both of them. So what do I get? Mx plus 14 is equal to 12 by x plus 2. Next, how do I simplify? Take the LCM on this side. So here LCM of x and 1 will be x. Here x, here x. So this doesn't need to be multiplied with anything, so write that as it is. Now here 1 should become x. That could only happen if I multiply with x. So it will result in 2x. Next, take by 1 and do cross multiplication. So this entire thing needs to be multiplied with x. So it will become x times mx plus 14. This entire thing with 1, it's not going to change anything. So write the same thing. Clear? Next, multiply with x. So it will be mx square plus 14x is equal to 12 plus 2x. Now, bring all the terms to one side and write it in proper quadratic form. What do I mean is, see, shift all the terms to this side. So what does it result in? Mx square plus 14x. Here it is plus 12. After shifting it will become minus 12. Here it is plus 2x. After shifting minus 2x is equal to 0. Now arrange it in proper quadratic form. So mx square plus 14x minus 2x is plus 12x. Minus 12 is equal to 0. Now compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When you compare, you get a value to be m, b to be plus 12, c to be minus 12. Okay. Now, replace the values of a, b and c in this condition. Okay. Let us replace. In place of b it is 12. So, this is 12 square minus in place of a it is m. In place of c it is minus 12 is equal to 0. So 12 square is 144. Here minus minus will become plus. 4 times 12 is 48. M is equal to 0. Subtract 144 on both sides. So this cancel out, leaving us 48m is equal to minus 144. Now divide by 48. So this cancel out here, m is equal to, when you cancel out, you will get 3. So value of m is equal to minus 3. Okay. The sum is not yet done here. He is also asking us for the coordinates of P. P is this point where the curve and line are intersecting. So the coordinates of P are nothing but value of x and value of y. So replace this m equal to minus 3. Where should I replace to get the value of x? Look, entire thing I realize I should replace in this one. Only then I get the value of x. So replace it with minus 3x square plus 12x minus 12 is equal to 0. Clear? Look, for the entire sum, where will you replace to get x? I should replace in this quadratic to get x. Now, since calculator is allowed, put this in the calculator. You get the x value to be 2. Okay. Now, you should also get the y coordinate for P. So where will you replace x equal to 2 to get y? Either in this or in this. In any of them you put, you get y. I replace in this. So y is equal to 12 by 2 plus 2. That is nothing but 8. So coordinates of P is nothing but 2, 8. So we have found.